If you're thinking of adopting a kitten, an animal shelter should be your first port of call. By adopting a kitten from an animal shelter, you can help alleviate the pressure and also give a kitten a second chance of a good life. Kittens can be weaned between 6 to 8 weeks of age, and after this point they will start to eat solid food. So if you're wondering on what to feed your kitten, we'd recommend a complete quality diet specifically designed for kittens. It's a common misconception that cats need milk. Many people often give cats milk, but actually it can cause them problems, particularly because most cats are lactose intolerant and it can cause a digestive upset. If you're wondering when kittens should be handled, we would recommend during the kitten socialisation period. This is between 2 to 7 or 8 weeks of age, and this is an important window of time when they're learning so much information about their environment, as well as interactions with people. If kittens are used to being handled during the kitten socialisation period, they will find things like going to the vet much less stressful later in life. It's also important to introduce kittens to common household sounds, such as washing machines, vacuum cleaners, and dogs barking, for example, so they feel happy and confident in the household environment. Kittens can be very energetic, and whilst they do sleep for a large percentage of the day, they will also want to play. Kittens also require regular feeding. So if you're out at work, for example, it's ideal to get a friend or family member to come in and feed the kitten as well as check on them. Kittens can be a lot of fun and are a great addition to any household.